Welcome back, everybody. Ozarides here. It has been a cold and rainy couple of week or so. California here. Haven't been able to do much to the bike. Haven't been able to ride really much. My tires are way too old to trust them. I'm due for a new pair. But anyways, today we are doing a bar swap. Taking off these old ones, just the 8-inch mini apes, 1.5-inch riser. We're swapping them for some Biltwell 10-inch risers, some moto bars. Got the new clamp as well for the speedometer. I think I have like an hour and a half of sunlight, if you call this sunlight. So let's get going. Now the trouble is finding where I plugged in those turn signals because I don't remember. For some reason I thought the turn signals were 2 little plugs, but it's 1 big plug, so I didn't need to take the back there off at all. Been out here for like 40 minutes trying to get this. I got 3 pins out. Man, it's all about the right tool. Apparently a pick is a good one. That wasted so much time, I'm probably not going to finish this today. Ah, yay. See, that easy. There you go. One more. Last one won't come out. The tab in there that holds the pin in, you're supposed to go in and lift. It's just crushed, so there's no way to lift it. Good times, good times. So I went a little medieval on it. Don't know if you can see it, but this thing lifted up right there is the retaining clip for the pin. It's all chewed to hell, and so there was no way of getting that pin out, so I just cut the whole thing open, pulled the pin out, and the wire broke off anyway, so I'm gonna have to go buy a new pin anyway. And now I feel all kinds of dumb because I just realized I never took them out of the pins. I just spliced them onto the turn signal endings. Anyways, I'm just gonna cut these ends off and pull them out of the bars. I did it. I swear, I think the wiring is the worst part of working on a bike. I hate it. So I need to buy a connector, and I need to might as well just buy all pins and just repin all of these. But this is where I'm finishing it. Just got the turn signal wires out. I'm glad I didn't give up and I got that done, even though I did have to go medieval on it a little bit. Alright, well, anyway, let's fast forward to the next time I'm making progress. Okay, bye. Alright, and we're back. A couple days ago I went and picked up the new terminals I need plus the connector. But first we're going to put on the bars, take off the old controls and bars and stuff. So let's get to it. And here's where the fun stuff starts. I stripped that bottom bolt there, so now I get to try and pound in a bigger Torx bit in there and see if I can get it in there and get this bolt off, because I can't release the throttle unless I get that out. Cool. Alright, so this is my last chance. I had to get the security Torx bit, a T27. Let's see if it'll work. Oh, thank God. You don't know how long I just spent trying to hammer bits into this thing. Luckily I got a whole new set of these. Nothing is ever easy. The rest should be, I hope, if I have time now. God. Alright, second control off, finally. Oh man, this side took me probably 40 minutes, 30 minutes to get that stupid bit out. Anyways, let's move on to the clamp and speedometer. Let's take all this off. Speedometer off. Got the riser bolts off, the risers off. Just gotta pop this out of here, put it in the new bucket, get the new bars on, put that all together. So we're just gonna reverse everything I just did. Sounds good. We'll see. I got about 40 minutes. See how much progress I can make. Bars on. Not bad, not bad. Decent place to call it for today. So you can see it's all super ugly. Don't look at it. But got the bucket on, everything's mounted up, Loctited these bolts. Next is the controls, and then I've got to finish the wiring with the wiring stuff I bought. But almost there, one more day. I only get a couple hours, hour and a half to work on this stuff at a time. So next time. Alright, back for a third and hopefully final day. Nice little bars. They feel a lot different. So they're a little bit lower than the Mini Apes, and they are tighter, which I do like. That right there is my view. Yeah, that speedometer location is not gonna work. I'm gonna have to lift that like way up here, which I didn't really want to do, because firstly, I don't know if I have enough cable on the speedometer, and I didn't want it poking above the fairing. Oh well. We're gonna have to. It's still a comfortable riding position. Nice straight arm, but it's tighter and more relaxed though. It's not like up as much or out as much, twisted. It's a nice straight wrist too. I like this. But anyways, let's take care of all this crap and do the wiring for the turn signals and whatnot. Let's go. Alright, so this is a real professional wiring job, as you can see. It's from the first bar rise I did. Somehow over the course of the last like year and a half, my clutch cable was threaded in the middle of some wiring. So I don't know how much I can even lift this thing up, but let's try. So that looks great for the speedometer, right? But I can't see my indicators. Luckily I've got the fairing to hide all this. Let's get the fairing back on there, see what it looks like. Fairing literally touches my speedometer. Dude, look at how bad that looks. I've got to take care of that. Alright guys, honest opinion, do you think I'm using too many zip ties? Too bad. Now for the fun part, we get to do the wiring without a wire stripper. Ho ho ho! I'm an electrician! Okay, so the right works and the left doesn't. What did I do? Shit. I have no idea what I did. Might have to review some footage and see if I'm plugging them in the wrong places. I looked up my wiring diagrams though, and I am putting them in the right terminals from what I saw. So I'm gonna wait to fix this because I need a new tire, because my neighbor pointed out. He's like, oh man, you need a new tire. And I look at it, and not only was it flat, or square rather, because it's been square for a little bit, but I thought I had more miles on it. The cords are showing in one spot, just one spot I haven't seen, and he saw it, so I'm glad he pointed it out to me. So now I need a new rear tire. Front's still good, I hope. So I've got to take that over to my buddy's garage to get that done. So I think we're going to look at the turn signals then. So I'm not going to worry about it for now, even though that I'm really bummed out. So I'm just going to button everything up and call it. Yay, let's put everything back together. Alright, so before it gets too dark, let me give you just a view of it. Those are the new bars. Real dirty up front here. So there's the new riser, the new bars. It's from behind the bar view. Very interesting. I think I like it. I'm gonna switch those bags up for sure. I'll have to put the old seat on there too, but I like them. I like it. The sitting posture is real nice, and I like that I'm gonna have some more bar space down here. Probably put my phone mount down here so it'll sit right about there. I do want to get another fairing too. Man, just this one job is making me want to change like 4 or 5 things about it. Anyways, that's gonna do it for this one. Electrical nightmare. Thanks for coming to check me out. Check out some of my other content while you're here. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one, and until then, y'all ride safe now, you hear?